I'm Julian,
And I'm Dave.
and today we're going to show you how to install the perfect screen shield.
And I recommend the screen shield to help protect your phone. And I can even install it for you. Customers totally understand the importance of screen shields, and when they purchase them from our store, it's our job to install them correctly.
That's right. Now we're going to go through what you need for the perfect screen shield installation. The customer's phone, T-Mobile screen shield, microfiber cloth, scotch tape, and a hard squeegee.
Also, a soft squeegee, canned air, rubber gloves, goggles, a hazmat suit, oxygen-infused respirator mask, a vacuum-sealed installation booth, and of course, a steady hand. Come on, let's get started.
I'll take it from here. Make sure to clean any fingerprints off the screen. Pick up any remaining dust particles with scotch tape. Align screen shield perfectly with the phone. Work out any remaining bubbles with squeegee.